What you doing? What you doing? Mmm. Cheerios. Cheerios. Try to get that one back in your mouth, silly. Why bother with that one when there's another one? They'll make more. Maybe we should only have so many Cheerios out at a time. Like one. Mmm. You are silly. You are so silly. I think you're right-handed. That's what I think. Very good. Very good job on that last one. Good job, bud. Julian. 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 Hi. Julian. Bud. Bud. We'll have to work on that one.